you all to this prestigious investiture ceremony 2026-27. Today is a momentous occasion where we recognize and entrust our young leaders with the positions of responsibility and service. An investiture ceremony is not merely the honoring with badges, sashes or titles. It is a celebration of leadership, commitment and accountability. It marks the beginning of a journey where selected students are entrusted with the duty of upholding the values, discipline and traditions of the institution while serving as the role models for their peers. Now, to formally commence today's program, I invite Ms. Trupti Kamath Ma'am, Assistant Teacher, DCPIS, to extend welcome and introduce the program.
Warm and gracious morning to one and all present all here. Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Ashok Rao Mani, MLA Hath Kalangle. President of the program, Honorable Mrs. Vidya Gulab Rao Pod, Chairperson of DCPIS. Today's guest of honor, Honorable Gulab Rao Pod, retired IPS, President of Shri Shahu Shikshan Prasarak Seva Mandal. Because of some unavoidable reason, he is not available here, but we know that his blessings are always with us. Even we are very delighted to have councillors of Vadgaon Nagar Parishad, Mr. Sheetal Kori, Mr. Abhijit Gayakwad, Mr. Praveen Patil, and Mr. Jawahar Salgar. Respected Ms. Shivani Sawan Poddar, Principal DCPIS, respected Administrative Officer Mr. Sagar Patil, Vice Principal of TJT Section Mr. Sagar Farande, Vice Principal of Primary and Pre-Primary Section Ms. Meenal Patil, Vice Principal of Olympiad Section Ms. Ashwini Patil, Coordinator of Pre-Primary Section Ms. Ashlesha Patil, Hostel Superintendent Mr. Mahesh Kare, and all the dedicated teachers, proud parents, and my dear students. With great pride and immense pleasure, I would like to extend a heartfelt welcome to all of you on this momentous occasion of investiture ceremony of Dr. Cyrus Poonawalla International School. Today, we all are here not only to confer the badges and sashes, but to celebrate the spirit of leadership, responsibility, and service. At Dr. Cyrus Poonawalla International School, we strongly believe that education goes beyond the academics. For over a decade, our school has been committed to provide a quality education and holistic development to every child. We strive to create an environment where students grow into individuals of character, compassion, and commitment. Through quality education, innovative learning experiences, sports, co-curricular activities, and strong values, we prepare our students to become confident and responsible citizens for tomorrow. The Student Council plays a vital role in the smooth functioning of our school. Through rigorous, fair, and democratic election process, our students earn the privilege of representing their peers. The elected council members are entrusted with various responsibilities, and they are expected to lead by example, uphold the discipline, and contribute positively to the school community. An investiture ceremony is a significant milestone in the academic year of every school. It symbolizes the trust and the confidence that the school places in its young leaders. It is like a reminder that the true leadership is not about authority, but about inspiring others and serving with integrity. It is like rightly said that the function of leadership is to produce more leaders, not more followers. And I believe that our student council will definitely make new leaders for new academic year. Investiture ceremony is a special occasion where deserving students are entrusted with responsibilities and officially appointed as a member of student council. We strongly believe that the leaders of tomorrow are nurtured in today's classroom. The badges they receive are not just the symbol of their position, but they represent the trust and promise to uphold the values of our institution. Moreover, I would like to mention that investiture ceremony in DCPIS is really special because we recognize the role of a mother in shaping these young leaders. Mother is the child's first teacher, mentor, and guide. So we give this honor to pin the badges to the mother parents. And so we can see the proud mothers sitting in this hall to witness this auspicious occasion. With hearts full of hope and confidence in our future leaders, let's now begin this auspicious occasion. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for briefing us about today's program. To begin this auspicious occasion on a divine note, let's invoke the blessings of Almighty and to symbolize the triumph of knowledge over ignorance, we shall now begin the ceremony with the traditional lighting of lamp and photo pujan. I respectfully invite our chief guest and all other dignitaries on the dais to kindly come forward for photo pujan and light the ceremonial lamp. I take this opportunity to invite our upper secondary in charge, Ms. Chitra ma'am, to introduce us with today's chief guest, followed by the felicitation program.
Thank you, Ms. Kushi. Once again, a very good morning to our honorable chief guest, respected Ashok Rao Mane sir, MLA Hatkanangle, President of the program, Honorable Chairperson DCPIS, distinguished dignitaries on the dais, respected teachers, proud parents, and newly elected council members. It's my privilege to introduce our chief guest for the day, as mentioned earlier, who is none other than respected Ashok Rao Mane, MLA Hatkanangle. Dear students, today marks a defining milestone in our school's academic calendar, the investiture ceremony. This sacred ceremony signifies the official induction of our newly elected student council. It's a day where we celebrate the values of responsibility, integrity, and leadership. To guide us through this prestigious occasion, we are profoundly honored to have with us a visionary leader, an eminent policy maker, and a true champion of grassroots change, who is none other than Ashok Rao Mane Sahib. Please welcome our chief guest, Honorable Dalit Mitra, Shri Ashok Rao Mane Sahib, the esteemed member of Legislative Assembly for Hath Kanangle, representing the Janasuraj Shakti Party. Born on 1st June 1954 in Shirur, Kolhapur, Sir has devoted his entire life for social upliftment. Sir, your presence brings immense inspiration to this gathering. Officially decorated with the prestigious Dalit Mitra title, your lifelong commitment to social work, communal harmony, and upliftment of marginalized communities is a shining beacon for us all. As a progressive educational patron leading Shri Balasaheb Mane Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, you have built a massive technical ecosystem that brings world-class engineering, pharmacy, and management education to the doorsteps of rural youth. As an MLA, Sir is actively involved in legislative debates and policy advocacy, particularly on issues related to social welfare, rural infrastructure, and farmer welfare. Sir is a member of the District Planning Committee and is recognized for his transparent and people-centric approach in governance. It is needless to say that Sir's reputation is built on decades of social work in Kolhapur and surrounding regions. He has organized and participated in health camps, educational programs, and disaster relief efforts, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. Sir's initiatives include supporting agricultural development, improving rural sanitation, and promoting cooperative movement for economic empowerment. Sir, you're also known for your work with NGOs and local trusts focusing on Dalit welfare, education, and women empowerment as well. Sir, your public image is, in Hath Kanangle, is that of a grassroots leader who is accessible and responsive to the needs of his constituents. On this occasion, I would like to read out some of the important honors and awards that are bestowed on Ashok Rao Mane sir. So, there are many awards that he has received, but due to the paucity of time, I would be just reading out very few. Very first important award that Sir bagged was in the year 1987-88, and that was National Youth Award presented by former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi in New Delhi. Secondly, he also got Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Philosophy Award for the year 2004. Dalit Mitra Award, Sir has bagged it twice in the year 2004 and in the year 2006, which is conferred on him by the government of Maharashtra, and Bhaskar Award in the year 2010. Dear audience, I am glad to announce that Sir is conferred with doctorate degree by the Open International University for Complementary Medicine, Colombo, Sri Lanka. So to conclude, I must say that, Sir, your tireless work in championing your skills, youth skills, and supporting women's economic independence perfectly mirrors the exact spirit of accountability we instill in our students today. Thank you, sir, for being with us today on this propitious occasion. Following the introduction of our esteemed chief guest, it is now my absolute privilege to formally introduce the distinguished president of today's program, who perfectly epitomizes grace, governance, and academic vision, Honorable Mrs. Vidya Gulab Rao Pol, affectionately known to all of us as Vidya Tai. Madam, your presence on the stage today completes this extraordinary trifecta of leadership, making today's investiture ceremony truly historic. Serving as the president of Pet Vadgaon Municipal Council, Mrs. Vidya Pol is pioneering force in regional urban governance and civic development. She has consistently championed grassroots public welfare, clean city initiatives, and local community infrastructure, earning wide respect as a dedicated public administrator. Beyond her exemplary civic code, Vidya Tai is a phenomenal institutional builder. As the secretary of Sri Shahu Shikshan Prasarak Seva Mandal and chairperson of Dr. Cyrus Punawala International School, ma'am has injected a global modern standard into our educational fabric. She is a driving force behind Kalyani Sakhi Manch, an NGO and women's social group which is focused on women empowerment. Her maternal warmth and deep-rooted commitment to student character development have inspired thousands of young minds to dream bigger and act better. On behalf of everyone, I wish you, ma'am, a highly successful and inspiring tenure ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, now let us move to our most revered tradition, the formal felicitation ceremony. It's our way of expressing our deep admiration, gratitude, and utmost reverence to the towering leaders who are gracing this occasion today. Now let's proceed forward for the felicitation ceremony. May I humbly request our beloved Tai ma'am to kindly step forward to felicitate today's chief guest, Honorable Ashok Rao Mane Sahib. I request all the dignitaries to please step forward for the felicitation ceremony. I request Tai ma'am to offer today's Honorable Chief Guest Ashok Rao Mane Sahib by offering traditional school shawl, a vibrant floral bouquet, our institutional memento, a ceremonial coconut shreefer, and a copy of our annual school magazine, Euphoria. Dear audience, please give a huge and thunderous round of applause. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Your presence on this stage stands as an elite masterclass in discipline for our young student council today. Now let's move on to the next part of the felicitation. Here I take this privilege to request our beloved principal, Mrs. Shivani Chavan ma'am, to kindly step forward to honor our beloved chairperson, Honorable Mrs. Vidyadai Pol, the municipal president of Pech Vadgaon and the chairperson of Dr. Cyrus Punawala International School, Pech Vadgaon. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next, I would like to request our AO sir, Administrative Officer Sagar Patil sir, to felicitate the eminent councillor Mr. Jawahar Salgar sir by offering a sapling and also by offering a cap as a token of love and appreciation. I must mention that Mr. Jawahar Salgar sir is the Vice President of Vadgaon Municipal Council. So once give him a huge round of applause. We are indeed proud to have such eminent councillors among us today to grace the occasion. Now may I take this opportunity to request Olympiad Wing Vice Principal Ms. Ashwini Patil to felicitate our eminent councillor Mr. Praveen Patil sir by offering a sapling and a cap. Dear parents and audience, please give a huge round of applause to Praveen Patil sir. So here we have come to an end of the felicitation part of the ceremony. So I request all the audience once again to give a final massive thunderous round of applause for all our magnificent dignitaries. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Leadership is not about a position. It is about inspiring others and making the difference. The journey of forming the DCPI Student Council was filled with enthusiasm, learning, and responsibility. It is now time to honor the young leaders who will carry forward the values and visions of our institution. The moment of pride is here. Today, we honor the leaders of tomorrow, young minds who have shown responsibility, dedication, and leadership. Get ready to witness the inspiring badge pinning ceremony of the Class Council of DCPIS. We request the prefects and assistant prefects of each class to kindly come forward as their names are announced and receive this honor.
May I now invite our dignitaries and mother parents to confer the badges upon the students. I also request the technical team to start with the slideshow.
We begin with grade first. Now let's welcome the prefect and assistant prefect of grade first Daffodil, Master Shriyan Priyanka Vinayak Patil and Miss Diya Priya Sandeep Lohar. I request the mother parent of Shriyan and Diya to kindly come forward for the badge pinning ceremony.
Master Shriyan is a responsible and reliable student who demonstrates sincerity and dedication in all his endeavors, while Miss Diya is a confident and enthusiastic learner, known for her positive attitude and willingness to help others. Let's congratulate them on their special achievement.
Thank you. We now move to grade first Lily. Now let's welcome the prefect and assistant prefect of grade first Lily. Miss Siddhika Shah Supriya Ashwin Kumar Kadam and Master Advait Dhanashri Dattatreya Joshi. I request the mother parent of Siddhika Shah and Advait to kindly come forward for the badge pinning ceremony.
Siddhika Shah is a disciplined and hardworking student who consistently strives for excellence, while Master Advait is known for his cheerful nature and eagerness to learn. Let us congratulate them as they proudly accept their badges of leadership. Let's give them a big round of applause.
We now move to grade second Daffodil. Now let's welcome the prefect and assistant prefect of grade second Daffodil, Miss Geet Komal Tejas Shah and Master Anugrah Seema Johan Kambre. I request the mother parents of Geet and Anugrah to kindly come forward for the badge pinning ceremony.
Miss Geet is admired for her dedication and confidence, while Master Anugrah is recognized for his determination, cooperation and positive spirit. Let's give them a big round of applause.
We now move to grade second Lily. Now let's welcome the prefect and assistant prefect of grade second Lily, Master Swaraj Anuradha Swapnil Methe and Miss Advika Akshata Abhay Kumar Jhinge. I request the mother parents of Swaraj and Advika to kindly come forward for the badge pinning ceremony.
Master Swaransh is a focused and a student who leads by example, while Miss Advika is a thoughtful and creative learner who inspires others through her enthusiasm and kindness. Let us congratulate them on their special achievement.
We now move to grade third Daffodil. Now let's welcome the prefect and assistant prefect of grade third Daffodil, Miss Adhira Pratnya Viraj Godbole and Master Vihan Sarika Viraj Pawar. I request the mother parents of Adhira and Vihan to kindly come forward for the badge pinning ceremony.
Miss Adhira is known for her confidence, discipline and dedication, while Master Vihan is appreciated for his sincerity, teamwork and positive attitude. A big round of applause for our newly appointed leaders.
We now move to grade 3rd Lily. Now let's welcome the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 3rd Lily, Master Viraj Sarika Amol Patil and Miss Jeeva Malashri Aniket Lambe. I request the mother parent of Viraj and Jeeva to kindly come forward for the badge pinning ceremony.
Master Viraj is a disciplined and dedicated student who approaches every responsibility with sincerity and enthusiasm, while Miss Jiva is a confident and cheerful learner, known for her positive attitude and willingness to support others.
We now move to grade 3rd Tulip. Now let's welcome the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 3rd Tulip, Master Shivendra Jyoti Jaideep Ulpe and Miss Saukhya Sia Swapnil Devasthari. I request the mother parents of Shivendra and Saukhya to kindly come forward for the badge pinning ceremony.
Master Shivendra is a responsible and hardworking student who leads by example, and Miss Saukhya is admired for her creativity, kindness, and enthusiastic participation in school activities.
Now let us welcome the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 4 Daffodil, Master Samarth Pooja Sangram Hake and Miss Arya Sandhya Abhijit Pawar. I request the mother parents of Samarth and Arya to kindly come forward for the badge pinning ceremony.
Master Samarth leads with confidence and sets a positive example through his dedication and enthusiasm, while Miss Arya is admired for her maturity, determination, and strong sense of responsibility. Let us congratulate them on this well-deserved honor.
Representing 4th Lily, please welcome Master Naksh Swapnali Vipul Vadgave and Miss Harshali Pranita Sumit Fadnis. I request the mother parents of Naksh and Harshali to kindly come forward for the badge pinning ceremony.
Makeup and
Master Naksh is a confident and determined student who demonstrates initiative, responsibility, and willingness to take on challenges with a positive attitude, while Miss Harshali is admired for her sincerity, discipline, and strong sense of commitment. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Now let us welcome the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 5th Daffodil, Miss Sanvi Dhanashri Dada Somari and Master Krishna Sanjivani Prasad Pawar. I request the mother parents of Sanvi and Krishna to kindly come forward and honor them.
Ms. Sanvi possesses excellent leadership qualities and consistently demonstrates confidence, sincerity, and dedication, while Master Krishna is appreciated for his cooperative spirit, positive attitude, and commitment to excellence. Let us congratulate them as they proudly receive their badges.
Representing grade 5th Lily, please welcome Prefect and Assistant Prefect, Master Devraj Tejaswini Shrikant Babar and Miss Ira Anita Randir Singh Patil. I request the mother parents of Devraj and Ira to kindly come forward for the badge pinning ceremony.
Master Devraj approaches every challenge with confidence and determination, while Miss Ira is admired for her integrity, kindness, and positive influence on her peers. Let us congratulate them as they receive their badges.
Now let us welcome the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 6 Daffodil, Master Rajdeep Rutuja Rajvardhan Patil and Miss Hindavi Kalpana Vijendra Magar. I request the mother parents of Rajdeep and Hindavi to kindly come forward for the badge pinning ceremony.
Master Rajdeep is known for his discipline, determination, and ability to lead with confidence, while Miss Hindavi is admired for her sincerity and positive approach towards every responsibility she undertakes. Let us congratulate these young leaders as they proudly receive their badges.
Representing grade 6 Lily, please welcome Master Viren Yashashri Krishnaji Masurkar and Miss Manvi Asha Rohit Mari. I request the mother parents of Viren and Manvi to kindly come forward for the badge pinning ceremony and honor them.
Master Viren is a confident and focused student who consistently demonstrates commitment and leadership potential, while Miss Manvi is appreciated for her enthusiasm and willingness to support. Let us congratulate these young leaders as they proudly receive their badges.
We now invite the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 6 boarding, Master Viraj Rohini Vitthal Savre and Master Ritesh Gitanjali Popat Shinde. I request the mother parents of Viraj and Ritesh to kindly come forward for the badge pinning ceremony.
Master Ritesh stands out for his confidence and leadership qualities and his ability to motivate and inspire those around him. Dear parents, I would like to inform you all that Master Viraj, prefect of 6th boarding, is not present among us today due to some unavoidable circumstances. We wish Viraj all the best and congratulate him on being the prefect of 6th boarding.
Moving forward with grade 7th, we now invite the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 7 Daffodil, Master Shrivardhan Neeta Nitin Patil and Miss Manasvi Bhagyashri Mahesh Babar. I request the mother parents of Shrivardhan and Manasvi to kindly come forward for the badge pinning ceremony.
Master Shrivardhan is known for his confidence, discipline and responsibility. His dedication and leadership qualities make him deserving of this position, while Miss Manasvi is admired for her teamwork, sincerity and determination. Her positive attitude and willingness to support others make her a valuable leader. Let's give them a big round of applause.
We now invite the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 7th Lily, Master Pragyan Sonia Uttam Chaugule and Miss Arohi Komal Jeevan Gurav. I request the mother parents of Pragyan and Arohi to kindly come forward and honor them with their badges.
Master Pragyan is recognized for his strong leadership qualities, hard work and commitment. His discipline and confidence inspire their fellow students, while Miss Arohi is appreciated for her kindness, dedication and responsibility. Let us congratulate them as they receive their badges.
We now invite the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 7 boarding, Master Shri Suvarna Arun Kadam and Master Rudra Jyoti Sangram Bhosle. I request the mother parents of Shri and Rudra to kindly come forward for the badge pinning ceremony.
Master Shri is known for his responsibility and confidence. His ability to lead with determination makes him deserving of this honor, while Master Rudra is admired for his cooperation, discipline and positivity. His dedication and helping nature make him an excellent choice for this role. Let us congratulate them as they proudly receive their badges.
We now invite the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 8 Daffodil, Master Bharaj Savita Dayanand Bhoite and Miss Khushi Hemlata Nitin Kudre. I request the mother parents of Bharaj and Khushi to kindly come forward and honor them with their badges.
Master Balraje is known for his confidence, discipline and dedication. His strong leadership and responsible nature make him truly deserving of this growth, while Miss Khushi is admired for her sincerity, teamwork and determination. Her positive attitude and supportive spirit make her a valuable leader. Let's give them a big round of applause.
We now invite the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 8 Lily, Miss O.V. Shital Nilesh Sawan and Master Samarth Rajashri Shashikant Pawar. I request the mother parents of O.V. and Samarth to kindly come forward and honor them with their badges.
Miss Ovi is recognized for her hard work, responsibility and commitment. Her leadership qualities and confidence inspire others around her, while Master Samarth is appreciated for his kindness, discipline and enthusiasm. His dedication and willingness to help others make him fit for this role.
We now invite the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 8 boarding, Master Ayush Snehalata Gajanan Bhalebaldar and Miss Samiksha Satvashila Deepak Salunkhe. I request the mother parents of Ayush and Samiksha to kindly come forward and honor them with their badges.
Master Ayush is known for his confidence and leadership. His disciplined nature and determination make him worthy of this honor, while Miss Samiksha is admired for her cooperation, positivity and responsibility. Her commitment and helping nature make her an excellent choice for this role. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Now let's invite the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 8 Tulip, Master Sarthak Anjali Vinayak Bagsaure and Miss Marvi Jayashri Vishal Patil. I request the mother parents of Sarthak and Marvi to kindly come forward for the badge pinning ceremony.
Master Sarthak is recognized for his strong leadership qualities, commitment and hard work, while Miss Marvi is a confident and known for her positive attitude.
I invite the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 9 Daffodil, Master Prabhas Rajashri Sujit Patil and Miss Sanvi Rupali Manoj Patil. I request the mother parents of Prabhas and Sanvi to kindly come forward and honor them with their badges.
Master Prabhas is a compassionate leader, also confident communicator who is passionate about his work, while Miss Sanvi is an innovative thinker and leads by example.
Moving forward, we invite the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 9th Lily, Master Rajveer Shweta Sachin Desai, along with Miss Gayatri Madhuri Manoj Patil. I request the mother parents of Rajveer and Gayatri to kindly come forward for the badge pinning ceremony.
Master Rajveer is positive influencer and a visionary thinker, while Miss Gayatri is a resilient achiever and problem solver. Congratulations and best wishes to both our deserving student leaders. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Now let's invite the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 9th boarding, Master Rishit Ujwala Nilesh Salokhe, along with Master Srinath Bhagyashri Dhanraj Bijitkar. I request the mother parents of Rishit and Srinath to kindly come forward and honor them with their badges.
Master Rishit is recognized for his determination and ability to lead by example, while Master Srinath is admired for his confidence, resilience, and inspiring leadership qualities.
Let's give them a big round of applause. Now let's begin with the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 10 Daffodil. Master Nikhil Snehalata Satish Mahajan marching forward with Ananya Preeti Siddheshwar Birajdar. I request the mother parents of Nikhil and Ananya to kindly come forward and honor them with their badges.
Master Nikhil is a dynamic leader known for his integrity and determination, and Miss Ananya is a graceful leader who motivates others through her actions.
Moving forward with the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 10th Lily, please welcome Master Harsh Aarti Vishal Dange marching forward with Miss Niti Hani Vijay Harchandani. I request the mother parents of Harsh and Niti to kindly come forward for the badge pinning ceremony.
Master Harsh is a courageous leader, strategic thinker with an innovative mind, and Miss Niti is graceful leader with exceptional determination.
Congratulations to our newly elected student leaders.
Let's give them a big round of applause.
Now let's invite the prefect and assistant prefect of grade 10th boarding, Master Vedant Jyoti Vikas Harpare and Miss Yashashri Swamini Yogesh Nalavde. I request the mother parent of Vedant and Yashashri to kindly come forward and honor them with their patches.
Master Vedant is a strong-willed and trustworthy leader, while Miss Yashashri is a confident and leadership-oriented person.
Let's give them a big round of applause. And here we come to an end of the badge pinning ceremony of class council.
Leadership with care, discipline with compassion, and responsibility with integrity define the role of dorm monitors. Having said this, let's step forward for badge pinning ceremony of hostel dorm monitors.
Now I request the newly elected dorm monitors to proudly march forward onto the stage as their names are announced. First, let's welcome the dorm monitor of dorm 1, 2 and 3, Master Rudra Gauri Hemant Zadav, Master Raviraj Rani Vijay Kondavre, and Master Atharva Sheetal Rahul Gunda. I request all of them to please march on the stage. I request the mother parents of Master Rudra, Raviraj and Atharva to kindly come forward and honor them with their badges.
Master Rudra is known for his discipline, determination, and positive spirit. Master Raviraj is known for his dynamic leadership qualities and respectful behavior, while Master Atharva is known for his sincerity and leadership potential. Let's congratulate them on their special achievement.
Congratulations to our newly appointed hostel dorm monitors. Now let's invite the dorm monitor of dorm 4 and 5, Master Shravan Namita Nilesh More and Miss Shramika Namita Nilesh More. I request the mother parent of Master Shravan and Miss Shramika to kindly come forward and honor them with their badges.
Master Shravan is known for his leadership and sportsman qualities. He is a disciplined student who respects everyone, while Miss Shramika is known for her activeness and excellent leadership quality. She is a respectful and obedient child.
Let's congratulate them on their special achievement as they have taken new responsibilities.
Let's give them a big round of applause.
Dear monitors, remember your role is not just to enforce the rules, it is to create an environment of brotherhood, sisterhood, and mutual respect. We trust your leadership.
Thank you and all the best to all of you.
Now we hand over mic to Ms. Divanshini and Ms. Gargi to carry forward the further program.
Good afternoon to all. This is Ms. Gargi Koekar
And this is Ms. Divanshini Zadav.
here to continue with the further program.
The house system plays a vital role in fostering leadership, teamwork, discipline, and healthy competition among students. Today, we formally entrust the responsibility of leading our four house to the newly elected house captain, vice captain, junior captain, and their dedicated mentors.
The house flag symbolizes pride, unity, and responsibility. The badge signifies commitment, while the cap represents leadership and service. As our student leaders receive these symbols of authority, they are joined by their house mentors, co-mentors, who will support and guide them throughout the year.
May I request all the dignitaries to kindly confer the house flag, badge, and cap upon the student leaders, followed by the badge spinning and cap conferment to the house mentors and co-mentors.
To begin with, the House of Fire. May I request Master Sujal Sneha Sandeep Nikam, the House Captain, Miss Aradhana Rajlakshmi Amol Kumar Patil, Vice Captain, and Master Shlok Pradnya Rahul Patil, Junior Captain of Agni House, to kindly come forward and receive the House flag, badge, and the cap.
I request the mother parent of Master Sujal, Master Shlok, and Miss Aradhana to honor them.
Master Sujal Nikam is admired for his perseverance, integrity, and strong sense of purpose. He leads not only by words but by an example, inspiring everyone around him with his grace.
Miss Aradhana Patil is appreciated for her grace, empathy, and remarkable confidence. She has shown her excellence both in the field of academics and sports.
Master Shlok Patil is known for his curiosity, optimism, and energetic approach to every task. His eagerness to learn, disciplined attitude, and cheerful nature makes him a promising young leader. Congratulations to our Agni House Captain, Vice Captain, and Junior Captain.
जो हिम्मत न हारे वो जिंदगी सवारे
I request the chief guest to kindly hand over the house flag to the captain of Agni House. Leadership flourishes when mentorship nurtures. Having said this, now let's proceed to honor our house mentors and co-mentors.
May I invite House Mentor Mr. Sanjay Sharda Shamrao Patil and House Co-Mentor Ms. Geeta Vatsala Suresh Kiledar to kindly come forward for the badge spinning and cap conferment ceremony. Sanjay sir, a tireless and devoted mentor who continues to inspire students to strive for excellence.
Agni House is fortunate to have Geeta ma'am, who is such a distinguished educator whose unwavering dedication has illuminated the path of learning for countless students.
A big round of applause for the complete leadership team of Agni House.
Moving ahead is Akash House. Akash House represents vision, limitless possibilities, aspiration, and the pursuit of excellence. May I request the house captain, Master Rajveer Sushma Sandeep Sawan, Vice Captain, Ms. Pankaja Vaishali Bajirao Nalode, and Master Vihan Pramila Abhijit Poor, the junior captain of Akash House, to come forward to receive the house flag, badge, and the cap. I request their mother parents to kindly come forward and honor them.
Master Rajveer Sawan is admired for his visionary thinking, resilience, and ability to unite his team. Rajveer's confidence, perseverance to inspire his teammate to reach the greater heights and uphold the proud spirit of Akash House.
Ms. Pankaja Nalode is appreciated for her creativity, excellent communication skills, and compassionate nature. To guide these young leaders in their journey, we now call upon the house mentors and co-mentors of Akash House.
May I request Mr. Vilas Anandibai Panduranga Damugde, House Mentor, and Ms. Shilpa Nirmala Shivkumar Patil, House Co-Mentor, to kindly come ahead for the badge spinning and cap conferment ceremony.
I request the chief guest to kindly hand over the house flag to the captain of Akash House.
The mentors and co-mentors of Akash House to come ahead.
Vilas sir is an evergreen teacher whose passion for learning and teaching remains as fresh as ever.
And Shilpa ma'am is a gracious and compassionate teacher whose kindness and guidance have cultivated generation of learners.
Let's appreciate the leadership team of Akash House with a warm round of applause. Moving ahead is Prithvi House. Prithvi House symbolizes strength, stability, perseverance, and unwavering determination.
May I request Master Alok Suvarna Prakash Khade, House Captain, Master Vishwajit Mahananda Vijay Kumar Zadav, Vice Captain, and Ms. Shriya Poonam Nilesh Saugule, Junior Captain of Prithvi House, to kindly come forward and receive the badge, flag, and cap.
I request their mother parents to kindly come forward and honor them.
Master Alok Khade stands out for his calm leadership and grounded personality. Alok's quiet strength and ability to guide his team reflects the true essence of Prithvi House.
Master Vishwajit Zadav is appreciated for his practical thinking and strong sense of discipline.
And Ms. Shriya Saugule brings a refreshing spark of enthusiasm and originality to the team.
I request the chief guest to hand over the house flag to the captain of Akash House. Behind every successful student leader stands a mentor who guides, motivates, and inspires. We now invite the mentors of Prithvi House. May I request Mr. Kiran Parvati Maruti Kumbhar, House Mentor, and Ms. Priya Geeta Sandeep Lohar, House Co-Mentor, to kindly come forward. Kiran sir is a compassionate and nurturing teacher who touches hearts while shaping minds.
And Miss Priya ma'am is a dedicated primary teacher who shapes little hearts with patience and love.
Let's give a huge round of applause for the leadership team of Prithvi House.
Trishul House stands for power, focus, courage, and determination to overcome every challenge.
May I request the house captain of Trishul House, Master Siddharth Manisha Shahaji Patil, Vice Captain Master Daksh Prajakta Mandar Khandalkar, and Miss Maithili Sheetal Vinod Patel, Junior Captain of Trishul House, to kindly come forward to receive the house flag, badge, and the cap. I request their mother parents to kindly come forward and honor them. Siddharth is truly a champion, both on and off the field, admired for his courage, self-discipline and unwavering determination. His strong character and dedication truly embody the strength and spirit of Trishul House.
Master Daksh Khandalkar is known for his analytic mind and sense of responsibility.
Miss Maithili Patel is appreciated for her enthusiasm, creativity and positive outlook. I request the chief guest to kindly hand over the house flag to the captain. To support and nurture these student leaders, we now invite the mentors of Trishul House.
May I request Mr. Kiran Parvati Babu Lokhande, House Mentor, Ms. Trupti Mangal Shushmit Kamat, House Co-Mentor, to kindly step forward for the badge spinning and cap conferment ceremony. Kiran sir is a gentle guide who makes learning joyful for every child.
We are grateful to have Trupti ma'am, a dynamic and innovative educator who transforms learning into an engaging experience.
Let us acknowledge the entire leadership team of Trishul House with a thunderous applause.
मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो पान पान
Let's give them a huge round of applause.
धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड
Congratulations to all our house captains, vice captains, mentors and co-mentors. May your leadership inspire teamwork, integrity, discipline and excellence throughout the academic year. We wish each house a successful and a memorable journey ahead.
Leadership is not about a position. It's about inspiring others through dedication, commitment and service.
We now invite our house leader, Ms. Savita Chayadevi Vilasrao Nikam, to kindly come forward for the badge spinning ceremony.
May I request our esteemed dignitaries to kindly confer the badge upon Ms. Savita ma'am, symbolizing the trust, responsibility and leadership entrusted to her.
Savita ma'am is a favorite teacher of DCPIS, whose friendly nature wins every single heart. Congratulations ma'am, we wish you a successful and inspiring tenure as a house leader. Let us give her a big round of applause. Leadership begins with responsibility and grows through service. It is now the time to honor our newly appointed Student Council members as we commence the badge spinning ceremony.
Student Council 26-27. We are delighted to invite Cultural Minister Ms. Aditi Sandhya Jagdish Kudaikar, along with Law, Order and Discipline Minister Master Shlok Uma Abhijit Bhosle.
Every achievement is rooted in the love, sacrifice and encouragement of parents. We request their mother parents to kindly come forward and honor them.
Master Shlok is known for his disciplined nature, calm attitude and strong sense of fairness. He believes in following rules and maintaining orders and sets a good example for his fellow students through his behavior.
Miss Aditi is known for her creativity, enthusiasm, and active participation in cultural activities. She brings energy and expression to every performance. A creative leader, talented performer, and a passionate promoter of culture and arts.
Let us congratulate them with a huge round of applause.
May we now welcome Master Siddharth Sangeeta Dada Sodombare, our Food and Dining Hall Minister, marching with Communication Minister Ms. Tejasvi Sarita Ajit Kumar Khattar to accept this honor.
We, we also request proud mother of Master Siddharth and Miss Tejasvi to kindly step forward for the badge, sash and certificate ceremony.
Master Siddharth is known for his helpful nature and his sense of responsibility towards maintaining discipline and order in the dining hall. He is always attentive to ensure that things run smoothly and comfortably for everyone.
And Tejasvi is known for her communication skills and friendly nature. She expresses her thoughts clearly and is always active in communicating and coordinating with others, making her a well suited for this role.
Let's give them a huge round of applause.
Now let us give a warm round of applause as we call upon Health and Hygiene Minister Ms. Sai Manjiri Vaibhav Devkar, accompanied with Master Prem Nikita Praveen Khaure, our Transport Minister.
I now request the respected mother of Sai and Prem to kindly come forward and do the honor of pinning the badge.
Sai, a passionate advocate for cleanliness, wellness and healthy living, dedicated to create a safe, healthy and hygienic environment for all.
While Prem is a vigilant leader dedicated to keep every route secure and well managed. With a keen sense of responsibility, they ensure seamless travel and student safety.
We now call upon Sports Minister Master Jairaj Supriya Deepak Jamale and Notice Board Minister Ms. Bansi Joshna Deepak Patel.
I cordially invite the parents of Jairaj and Bansi to come forward and do the honor of pinning the badge. Jairaj is known for his energetic spirit, strong performance in sports, and excellent leadership on the field. He has also created a remarkable record by receiving the highest number of votes in the Student Council election, reflecting the trust and support of his fellow students.
And Ms. Bansi, a guardian of information, ensuring every achievement and announcement is highlighted.
Let's give them a big round of applause. Now we invite our editorial minister, Ms. Aradhya Archana Anand Tiwari, along with Environment Minister, Master Yogin Janvi Sudesh Varam.
As we celebrate this moment of leadership and responsibility, I invite Mother of Miss Aradhya and Master Yogin to come forward and bestow the badge, a symbol of trust and commitment.
Aradhya is known for her thoughtful approach and interest in sharing ideas. She has a good sense of expression and plays an important role in presenting school activities and achievements.
And Master Yogin is known for his awareness towards nature, caring attitude and habit of maintaining cleanliness around him.
Excellence in academics begins with dedication and perseverance. It is now my privilege to welcome our Academic Minister, Ms. Swara Dipali Avinash Saugule, a torchbearer of knowledge, a champion of academic excellence, and an inspiration to fellow learners.
May I request proud mother of Miss Swara to come forward and honor her with badge and certificate.
Swara is known for a love for learning, focus in studies, and consistent hard work. She carries her responsibilities with sincerity and always strives to do her best in academics. Also inspires others to strive for excellence.
A huge round of applause for Swara. Representing the promise of young leadership and responsibility, please welcome our junior head boy, Master Shaurya Prajakta Mahesh Kokate, and junior head girl, Miss Aditi Sunita Durgesh Mishra, to come forward.
We also request their proud mother parents to kindly accompany them and honor them.
Master Shaurya is known for his curious mind, energetic spirit, and eagerness to participate in every activity. His enthusiasm and cheerful nature make him a favorite among his friends and teachers.
While Aditi is admired for her bright smile, creativity, and kind-hearted nature, she brings joy and positivity wherever she goes and encourages others to do their best. Stepping into a role of responsibility, please welcome Hostel Head Boy Master Mayur Seema Santosh Mohite and Hostel Head Girl Miss Rajlakshmi Shabangi Nitin Lokre.
I warmly invite mother of Master Mayur and Miss Rajlakshmi to grace the stage and pin the badge.
Mayur is known for his calm nature and strong sense of teamwork. He is someone his peers can rely on and is always ready to lend a helping hand.
Rajlakshmi is admired for her confidence, kindness, and sense of responsibility. With a positive approach and caring nature, she serves as an excellent role model for her hostel mates.
Let's congratulate them with a huge round of applause. Now, I would like to invite our Deputy Head Boy, a pillar of support and dedication, and Deputy Head Girl known for her commitment and enthusiasm, Master Advait Rasika Santosh Petkar and Miss Ketki Vandana Vijay Patil.
As we celebrate this moment of leadership and responsibility, I invite mother of Miss Ketki and Master Advait to come forward and bestow the badge, a symbol of trust and commitment. Master Advait is known for his sincerity, confidence, and responsible nature. His dedication and willingness to take initiative make him a deserving deputy head boy.
Ketki is admired for her hard work, positive attitude, and leadership qualities. Known as the Sprints Queen of DCPIS, she has impressed everyone with her sporting spirit. Her commitment and perseverance make her a worthy deputy head girl.
As the torchbearers of leadership and role model for entire student council, let us warmly welcome our head boy, Master Tanishq Amruta Umesh Saugule, and head girl, Miss Jia Hemali Mehul Patel, to come forward.
We request the mother parents of Miss Jia and Master Tanishq to kindly accompany them to the stage as they receive their badges, sashes, and certificates.
Tanishq is known for his confidence, responsibility, and willingness to help others. His dedication and positive attitude make him a deserving head boy.
Jia is admired for her confidence, hard work, and caring nature. With her determination and leadership skills, she is an inspiration to her fellow students. Let's congratulate our newly elected head boy and head girl with a warm round of applause.
With With this successful completion of our badge pinning ceremony, we extend our heartfelt congratulations to all our newly appointed student leaders. Today marks the beginning of an important journey, one filled with responsibility, dedication, and service.
May each badge holder wear the symbol of leadership with pride and uphold the values and traditions of our institution. We wish them a rewarding and successful tenure ahead as they strive to lead by example and inspire their fellow students.
As we celebrate this significant milestone, we shall now proceed to the next segment of today's program.
Leadership is not merely a position of authority. It is a commitment to uphold values, discharge duties with integrity, and serve as a role model for others.
We now proceed to one of the most significant moments of this investiture ceremony, the oath-taking ceremony. Through this pledge, our newly appointed student leaders formally accept the responsibilities entrusted to them.
It is my distinct honor and privilege to invite our esteemed principal, Ms. Shivani Ma'am, the guiding force of DCPIS, to administer the oath to the newly elected Student Council. Ma'am, we respectfully request you to lead our young leaders in this pledge of commitment and service.
May I request all the members of Student Council, including Prefect, Assistant Prefect, and Ministry representatives, to kindly rise and assume the oath position.
We, the newly elected Students' Council of Dr. Cyrus Poonawalla International School, do solemnly pledge in the presence of God and this assembly to abide by the rules and regulations that govern our institution, and to be honest and true to the core values that it stands for. We promise to carry out the duties and responsibilities entrusted to us with courage and conviction, and above all, to uphold the integrity of our nation at all the times. We hereby affirm that we will always honor the faith and trust reposed in us and work selflessly and tirelessly for the prestige and glory of our school. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for administering the oath and inspiring our young leaders to serve with sincerity, dedication, and integrity.
Every leader has a voice. Every voice has power to inspire. To share her thoughts on leadership and responsibility, I would like to invite our head girl, Ms. Jia Patel, to address the gathering.
Thank you, Devanshini. It is well said that a leader is a one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable, our today's chief guest, everyone's favorite, Honorable Thai Ma'am, Principal, all the vice principals, our administrative officer, sports in charge, all the teachers, parents, my fellow council, and all the students present over here. I, Ms. Jia Himali Mehul Patel, newly elected head girl of Dr. Cyrus Poonawalla International School. It is with immense pride and profound gratitude that I stand before you today as the head girl of our school. With great power comes great responsibilities. Having said this, I consider this position not merely just an honor, but a significant responsibility. As a head girl of one of the best schools, I pledge to uphold the values of integrity, diligence, and accountability. I will work tirelessly to foster an environment full of discipline, inclusivity, and excellence. Each one of us possesses unique talent, and together we can transform our aspirations into remarkable achievements. I firmly believe that true leadership is not just about authority, but it's about service, dedication, and enthusiasm. My vision is to ensure that every student feels valued, heard, respected, and empowered to reach their highest potential. At the very end, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, all the teachers, parents, my fellow council, and all the students present over here for their unwavering guidance and support. I am confident that we can turn this academic year 2026-27 into the most productive, memorable, and a successful one. Thank you for this incredible opportunity. I look forward to serving our school with dedication and enthusiasm. Thank you and have a fabulous day ahead.
Thank you, Jia, for your thoughtful and inspiring words. Your message has truly encouraged our young leaders to lead with confidence and purpose. Now, I would like to invite our head boy, Master Tanishq Chowgule, to share his ideas and experiences with us. Please welcome him with a warm round of applause.
On this auspicious occasion of 152 birth anniversary of Chhatrapati Sri Rajashri Shahu Maharaj, I pay my respectful homage to his dedication to his work for the welfare of the society. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected guest, Dalit Mitra Shri Dr. Ashok Rao Mane, MLA Hatkalangni Vidhan Sabha Constituency, Chairperson of DCPIS, Principal, Administrative Officer, all Vice Principals, Sports in Charge, Hostel Superintendent, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. This is Master Tanishq Amruta Umesh Chowgule, newly elected school head boy. It is honor and privilege to me to stand in front of you today as school head boy. I sincerely thank everyone who has placed their trust and confidence in me. According to me, investiture ceremony is not just about receiving badge and wearing slash. I will repeat my sentence. According to me, investiture ceremony is not just about receiving badge and wearing slash. It is about accepting responsibility. It is about accepting leadership, and it is about accepting your service. I understand the duties that come with this position, and I pledge to work with dedication, discipline, and honesty to serve our school. Bapu, I would like to tell you that our school philosophy is influenced by two great leaders, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Swami Vivekananda. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj has taught us courage, leadership, dedication, justice, and unwavering dedication to our people, while Swami Vivekananda's thought has taught us, or Swami Vivekananda's words have inspired us, awake, arise, and stop not till goal is reached. These words remind us to work hard. These words remind us to be determined. As school head boy, I will uphold these values and the reputation of our school. I will work with dedication to serve our school. I will encourage teamwork and help to create positive and inclusive school environment. With the Student Council, moving toward end, I would like to declare the motto of Student Council 2026-27, that is one school, one team, and one goal. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you, Tanishq, for your motivating words. Your message reminds us that true leadership is built on commitment, teamwork, and perseverance.
As we continue this special occasion, it is now the time to hear from one of our young leaders, enthusiastic, responsible, and committed to serve the Student Council. Our junior head boy is ready to embark on the journey of leadership and growth.
I now invite our junior head boy, Master Shaurya Kokate, to address the gathering.
Respected guests, principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. A very good afternoon to all. I am truly honored and grateful to stand before you today as a newly elected junior head boy of our school. I would like to thank our principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and all those who believed in me and entrusted me with this great responsibility. Most importantly, I would like to focus on academics and sports, which teaches us teamwork, discipline, and confidence. As a junior head boy, I'll do my best, listen to my fellow students, work with teachers to maintain a positive and friendly school environment. And once again, I thank for having faith in me, and together we can make our primary section even better, a place of learning, discipline, and motivation. Thank you and had a great day ahead.
Thank you, Shaurya, for your thoughtful and inspiring words. Your commitment and enthusiasm truly reflects the quality of a promising young leader.
We wish you a great success in your role as a junior head boy. We are now honored to invite our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Mr. Ashok Mane Sir, to address the gathering. Sir's guidance, experience will undoubtedly inspire our students and enrich this special occasion.
आजच्या या कार्यक्रमामध्ये पुनावाला इंटरनॅशनल पुनावाला इंटरनॅशनल स्कूलमध्ये आजचा हा भव्य असा कार्यक्रम मुलांचा त्यांना पुरस्कार देणे, वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रात त्या मुलांनी अतिशय सुंदर काम केलेलं आहे. विधिमंडळ इथं स्थापन झालेलं आहे, मुख्यमंत्री मंत्रिमंडळ इथं बसलेलं आहे. अशा ह्या सुंदर अशा या मुलांना प्रोत्साहन देण्यासाठी आजचा अतिशय महत्त्वाचा कार्यक्रम आहे. या कार्यक्रमाचे अध्यक्ष, या नगरीच्या प्रथम नागरिक नगराध्यक्षा आमच्या नेत्या माननीय विद्याताई पोळ, उपनगराध्यक्ष जवाहर सलगर साहेब, नगरसेवक अभिजित गायकवाड, प्रवीण पाटील साहेब, प्रिन्सिपाल शिवानी चव्हाण, पोद्दार मॅडम, प्रशासकीय अधिकारी सागर पाटील, सर्व उपप्राचार्य, सर्व विद्यार्थी आणि प्रतिनिधी. अतिशय सुंदर अशा पद्धतीच्या या कार्यक्रमामध्ये मुलं एवढी टॅलेंट आहेत, हुशार आहेत, मुलांना एवढ्या पद्धतीनं चांगलं शिक्षण दिलेलं आहे. आणि म्हणून फार पूर्वी आपल्या सावित्रीबाई फुलेंनी जे त्यावेळेला संघर्ष केला, शिक्षण हे अतिशय महत्त्वाचं आहे आणि शिक्षण घेण्यासाठी मुलांसाठी ते आपलं शिक्षण देऊन त्यांनी अतिशय चांगलं मोलाचं काम केलं. परंतु काही लोकांनी त्यांना फार मोठा त्रास दिला, त्यांच्या अंगावर शेण फेकले, बऱ्याचशाच गोष्टी घडल्या. परंतु त्या परिस्थितीमध्ये देखील त्या न डगमगता, आपल्या सर्वांना माहिती आहे तो इतिहास, त्याचं कारण सांगतो तुम्हाला की आज त्यांनी जो त्याग केला, त्याने जे विचार मांडले किंवा शिक्षण त्यांनी चालू केलं, त्रासातून संघर्षातून शिक्षण चालू केलं, आणि त्यामुळं आज ह्या देशामध्ये, या राज्यामध्ये ही जी मुलं शिकत आहेत, अतिशय टॅलेंट होत आहेत, अशी वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीचं या शिक्षण पद्धतीमध्ये अतिशय आमूलाग्र बदलून मुलांना फार मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये शिक्षणाची सोय उपलब्ध झालेली आहे. हे फक्त सावित्रीबाई फुले असतील, महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले, छत्रपती शाहू महाराज, परमपूज्य डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर, या कर्मवीर भाऊराव पाटील, या लोकांनी फार मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये आपल्या मुलं शिक्षण घ्यावीत म्हणून त्यांनी मोलाचा त्याग केला, शिक्षण संस्था उभ्या केल्या, शिक्षणाच्या माध्यमातून बहुजन समाजाच्या मुलांना चांगल्या पद्धतीचं दर्जेदार शिक्षण मिळावं ही भूमिका घेतली. आणि म्हणून अनेक मुलं आज देश लेवलवर, राज्य लेवलवर, वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रामध्ये तेव्हापासून आजपर्यंत फार मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये काम करतात. ही जी लोकशाही आहे किंवा जी घटना आहे, परमपूज्य डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकरांनी तयार केली, आणि त्यामुळं आज ही बळ, शक्ती, ताकद शिक्षणामुळे मिळाली, घटनेमुळे मिळाली. आणि म्हणून अशा पद्धतीचं हे अनेक, आज ताईंनी हे स्कूल चालू केलं, त्या प्रेसिडेंट आहेत, आणि पोळसाहेब, ह्या मंडळींनी स्वतःच्या पैशातनं, स्वतःच्या त्यागातून हे स्कूल त्यांनी चालू केलं. या स्कूलमध्ये आज हे जी मुलं शिकत आहेत ही अतिशय हुशार, विद्वान आणि कार्यक्षम पद्धतीनं त्यांना टॅलेंट करण्याचं काम इथल्या सर्व आपल्या प्राचार्य असतील, शिक्षक असतील, ह्या सर्वांनी फार मोठं आज हे या शिक्षणाचं दारं खुले केले आहेत. मी अनेक ताई, मला लोक फोन करतात, आम्हाला इथं प्रवेश पाहिजे म्हणून. अनेक लोकांचं प्रवेशासाठी क्यू लागलेला असतो. याचं कारण असं की एक अतिशय उत्तम नागरिक, उत्तम विद्यार्थी, उत्तम कार्यक्षम अशा पद्धतीचे मुलं घडवण्याचं काम या शिक्षण संस्थेमध्ये होतं आहे. आज लोकशाहीप्रमाणे, घटनेच्या प्रमाणे आज इथं या मुलांना मंत्रिमंडळ इथं स्थापन केलं आहे. त्यांना लोकशाही माहीत व्हावी, लोकशाहीमध्ये कशा पद्धतीने काम करता येईल, मंत्रिमंडळामध्ये कशा पद्धतीने काम करता येईल, आणि म्हणून आज त्यांना देखील त्याचं शिक्षण मिळावं म्हणून या विद्यार्थ्यांनी मतदान केलं. आणि मतदानासारखं हे मतदान करून सगळे निवडणूक अधिकारी, सगळे पोलिंग एजंट हे सगळं तयार करून या मुलांनी मतदान केलं आणि या मुलांना मंत्रिमंडळाने संधी दिली. ही खरंच ही अतिशय महत्त्वाची गोष्ट आहे. अनेक मुलं जीवनामध्ये शिक्षण घेत असताना टॅलेंट असतात. अनेक आज मंत्रिमंडळामध्ये, वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रामध्ये आज वेगवेगळे आपण वाचतोय. अनेक लोक शिक्षणाच्या माध्यमातून अगदी सुरुवातीपासून जे टॅलेंटपणा होता त्यामध्ये मंत्रिमंडळात असतील, देशाच्या वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रामध्ये काम करत असतील, अनेक ठिकाणी माणसं हे टॅलेंट असली पाहिजेत, विचारत असले पाहिजेत, बुद्धिवान असली पाहिजेत, आणि त्यासाठी शिक्षण हे अतिशय महत्त्वाचं आहे. आणि म्हणून आज या संस्थेनं हे शिक्षण उपलब्ध करून दिलं. अनेक मुलं आज मला वाटतं 80 मुलं वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रामध्ये आज काम गेल्यात, देश लेवलवर काम करत आहेत. वेगवेगळ्या क्षेत्रामध्ये मुलं इथं शिक्षणाच्या माध्यमातून पुढे गेलेले आहेत. आणि म्हणून हे इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल आहे. इंग्लिश हे अतिशय महत्त्वाचं आहे. आम्हाला थोडं इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलायचं तर एवढं जमणार नाही ताई, म्हणून आम्ही मराठी बोलतो आहे. तेव्हा काम करत असताना, आम्ही देखील शिक्षण घेत असताना अशा गोष्टीचा विचार केला. आणि म्हणून आज मला आमदार म्हणून निवडून दिलेलं आहे की त्या अनुषंगानं सुरुवातीपासूनच जर जीवनामध्ये यश मिळवायचं असेल तर पुढं ध्येय गाठण्यासाठी माणसानं उच्च विचार केले पाहिजेत, मुलांनी उच्च विचार केले पाहिजेत, शिक्षण घेतलं पाहिजे देश लेवलवर आणि इंटरनॅशनल लेवलवर. आज कुठल्याही जगातल्या देशात जावा, कितीतरी आज इंग्लिश बोलणारे लोक आहेत. आपण जर इंग्लिशमध्ये बोललो नाही, आपण इंग्लिशमध्ये आलो नाही, आज फार जग जवळ आलेलं आहे. आपण 1 तासात अमेरिकेमध्ये काय चाललं आहे ते आपल्याला समजतं आहे, अर्ध्या तासात समजतं आहे, जगात काय चाललं आहे हे तात्काळ समजतं आहे. आणि म्हणून त्यासाठी आपल्याला अशा पद्धती शिक्षणाच्या माध्यमातून आज जगातल्या वेगवेगळ्या पद्धती व्यवहार, जगात काय चाललं आहे, कुठं आपल्याला काय करायला पाहिजे याची माहिती, याची प्रचिती येते. आणि म्हणून अशा पद्धती मुलं वेगवेगळ्या देशामध्ये, आपल्या देशातली मुलं या माध्यमातून शिकत आहेत. आणि म्हणून अनेक मुलं आज आपल्या सरकारनं शिक्षणाची सवलत जाहीर केली. जर मुलांना स्कॉलरशिप, आज जर मुलं इतर देशामध्ये शिकायला गेली तर त्यांना स्कॉलरशिप मिळते, पूर्ण शिक्षणाचं पैसे सरकार देतं आहे. आणि म्हणून त्यावेळेला छत्रपती शाहू महाराजांनी अशा पद्धतीचं शिक्षण संस्थेमध्ये जे शिक्षण घेत आहेत त्या मुलांना फॉरेनमध्ये जाण्यासाठी पैसे ते राजे देत होते, म्हणजे त्यांच्या राज्यकर्त्यामधून. आणि म्हणून अशा अनेक लोकांना पूर्वीची परंपरा छत्रपती शाहू महाराजांनी तयार केली. छत्रपती शाहू महाराजांनी सगळ्या जाती धर्माच्या लोकांची वसतिगृह तयार केली. जैन समाजात केलं, मराठा समाजात केलं, मागासवर्गीय लोकांचं केलं. प्रत्येक मुलांनी चांगलं शिक्षण घ्यावं ही छत्रपती शाहू महाराज देखील त्यावेळेला अनेक त्यांच्या राज्यामध्ये काम त्यांनी केलं. आणि म्हणून कोल्हापूरमध्ये वेगवेगळ्या असे हॉस्टेल्स आहेत, त्या हॉस्टेलमध्ये अनेक मुलं शिकत आहेत. आणि त्याच्यामध्ये राहून आज त्या मुलांनी फार मोठी प्रगती केलेली आहे. आणि त्यामुळं शाहू महाराजांचं जे ऋण आहे ते ऋण फिटण्यासारखं नाही. आणि म्हणून त्याच वेळच्या माध्यमातून आज शाहू महाराजांचे जे विचार आहेत ते घेऊन आपलं सरकार वेगवेगळ्या योजना राबवत आहे. त्यापूर्वी वेगवेगळ्या योजना शाहू महाराजांनी राबवल्या होत्या आणि त्याचंच अनुकरण आपलं राज्य करतं आहे. या राज्यामध्ये देखील फार मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या पद्धती योजना राबवल्या गेलेल्या आहेत. मुलांच्या शिक्षणासाठी प्रचंड मोठं योगदान सरकार देत आहे, वेगवेगळ्या योजना राबवल्या जातात. आणि म्हणून त्या अनुषंगानं आज आपल्याला देखील ह्याच्या पुढं चांगल्या पद्धतीचं पुढं जायचं असेल तर आपण शिक्षण घेतलं पाहिजे आणि त्यातून पुढे गेलं पाहिजे. आणि म्हणून या स्कूलमध्ये ताई तुम्ही सांगा, आमदार म्हणून मी काय मदत करू शकतो पूर्णपणे ताकदीनं. या मला फार मोठा अभिमान आहे की आपल्या ह्या जिल्ह्यामध्ये अशा पद्धतीचं स्कूल नाही. इंटरनॅशनल जे इंग्लिशमध्ये लहान मुलं देखील आज केवढं बोलतात, फार मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये त्यांच्यावर संस्कार केलेले आहेत. आणि संस्कार फार महत्त्वाचे आहेत. संस्काराच्या माध्यमातून मुलांना जीवनामध्ये यश मिळण्यासाठी आज पालक इथं आलेले आहेत. पालकांना केवढा आनंद झालेला आहे. आपली मुलं आज अशा पद्धती टॅलेंटपणे इथे शिकत आहेत. अनेक पालकांना इथं माझ्या बहिणी आल्या होत्या, त्यांना अतिशय आनंद झाला. म्हणजे अशा पद्धतीचं कुटुंबाला देखील मुलाबद्दल अभिमान वाटला पाहिजे. मुलाला देखील कुटुंबाबद्दल अभिमान वाटला पाहिजे, शिक्षण संस्थेबद्दल अभिमान वाटला पाहिजे. आणि या अनुषंगानं हे जे विचार आहेत इथं मांडले जातात हे अतिशय महत्त्वाचं आहे. आणि म्हणून त्या दृष्टीनं आपण या स्कूलमध्ये जे या मुलांना जे चांगलं शिक्षण देत आहे त्याच्याबद्दल मला फार मोठा आनंद वाटतो. त्यांना चांगली संस्कृती, चांगले विचार, ध्येय गाठण्यासाठी त्यांना प्रवृत्त केलं जातं. आज मला वाटतं या जिल्ह्यामध्ये, राज्यामध्ये मंत्रिमंडळ कुठंच नाही आणि पहिल्यांदा या स्कूलमध्ये मंत्रिमंडळ केलेलं आहे की जेणेकरून त्या मुलांना फार मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये अनेक मुलं पुढचा विचार केला तर ते मंत्री देखील होऊ शकतात, काय अडचण येणार नाही. आणि म्हणून त्या अनुषंगानं आज मुलांनी विचार करावा. वेगवेगळ्या शिक्षण पद्धती आहेत, अनेक गोष्टी आहेत, सांगण्याचं खूप आहे, फार वेळ झालेला आहे. आणि म्हणून आज अनेकांनी इथे विचार मांडले. ताईंना मी धन्यवाद देतो, मला त्यांनी इथं बोलवलं. अतिशय चांगल्या पद्धतीनं या स्कूलमध्ये त्यांनी या मुलांना विचार देण्यासाठी, त्यांना सशक्त करण्यासाठी, त्यांना चांगल्या पद्धती शिक्षण देण्यासाठी याच्यामध्ये ते कायमपणे लक्ष घालत आहेत, पोळसाहेब घालत आहेत. आणि म्हणून त्यासाठी माझं देखील काही योगदान लागलं तर मी करायला तयार आहे. आपण याच पद्धतीने विचार करून ह्या मुलांना जीवनामध्ये फार यशस्वी व्हावेत अशी शुभेच्छा देतो. मला इथं बोलवलं, माझा गौरव केला, माझ्याबद्दलच्या आदराच्या भावना व्यक्त केल्या, त्याबद्दल आभार मानतो आणि थांबतो. जय हिंद, जय महाराज.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening words and valuable guidance. Your thoughts on leadership, responsibility, and service will remain a source for inspiration for all of us.
As we reach to the end of today's memorable ceremony, I would like to invite Sanjay Patil sir to propose vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. First and foremost, I thank Almighty for His blessing and for making today's investiture ceremony a grand success. I express my sincere gratitude to Honorable Poor Sir, Honorable Tai Ma'am for their constant support, encouragement and commitment towards providing quality education and creating opportunity for our students to grow as a future leader. A special note of thanks today's chief guest, Mr. Ashok Rao Mane sir, for gracing this occasion with your presence and for sharing your inspiration thoughts with our young leaders. I also thank Mr. Jawahar Sargal sir, Mr. Abhijit Gaikwad sir, Mr. Praveen Patil sir for attending today's program. I extend my sincere gratitude to our respected principal ma'am for her visionary leadership, constant encouragement and unwavering support in all school activities. I would like to thank all section vice principals for their valuable guidance and for motivating both students and teachers to strive for excellence. My heartfelt thanks to our administrative officer, Mr. Sagar Patil sir, for ensuring that all arrangements were made smoothly and efficiently. I congratulate and thank our newly elected students, council member for taking their responsibilities with enthusiasm and a spirit of service. I express my gratitude to all our teachers for their dedication in nurturing and guiding our students. I thank our schools, art department, technical team, HRM, HKM for their hard work and assistance in making this event successful. I would like to thank all our parents, their trust, encouragement and contributed support to the school. A big thank you to all students for their discipline, participation and enthusiasm throughout the program. Once again, thank you to everyone who contributed directly or indirectly to the success of this event, university ceremony. With these words, I conclude my vote of thanks. With the permission of respected authorities, I hereby declare that we have reached the end of today's program. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, sir, for expressing our gratitude so beautifully. As we conclude this proud and memorable occasion, let us stand united in respect and patriotism for our national song. I request everyone present to kindly rise for the national song.
Mataram. वन्दे मातरम् सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्यश्यामला मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनीम् उल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनीम् सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्
भारत माता की
जय
वंदे
मातरम